Hi, my name is Christian Reyes and I'm a software expert, and I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Now, the best way to do this would be, you can go right into the Microsoft Office website, which is office.microsoft.com. And once you go here, they have the Office 365 suite available. So what that is every Microsoft Office product. There's a 1 month free trial, but essentially you will get those three, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the other Microsoft Office products that are in the suite. So there's things like Microsoft Access, with all these things, you can try them out. You can see what you like, see what works for you. But this is where you can download and try them all out. And if you like the product, after the month trial is over, you have the option to purchase it. So that is how you download Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. My name is Christian Reyes. Thank you.